we are actually going to start a new series. It is called, we're going to be playing this awesome game called the Reflexes, and I will be joined by somebody driving with me.
Hello.
This will be crazy motorbike madness, just saying. So be prepared for loudness. Just saying, don't wear earbuds or headphones. Okay, in a minute, we'll get into a free drive world, and okay, we'll get into a free drive world and just have some fun. I've picked Hillsgrove. I will be on the right, my friend will be on the left.
I'm the blue bike.
You bike. I'm the one that's actually experienced, so he's gonna crash all the time.
Yeah.
Just saying. Woo! I'm pretty experienced.
I almost did a backflip.
I'm experienced, so I won't fall off much. That's not saying I won't fall off. Okay, here we are being dropped off by the boat in Hillsgrove.
Yep.
This is basically just letting us out loose into the wild to play. And here we go. I'm gonna tag you. I'm gonna get you. Oh my god. It's so fun to play tag in this game. It's not even funny. You can hit them and then fall over and you'll go flying. Just saying, whenever you crash in this game, you go like a ragdoll. Let me crash. Ragdoll. That's gotta hurt. I think I'll just go up here and go over the mountain into the forest. And have some fun. Ooh, oh, dang it, I almost made a wheelie. Up again, and down. Yay! Simon, you're an unsocial butterfly over there.
What?
You're being unsocial. Speak. Okay, let's keep going. Oh my gosh, don't die. Oh yeah, I didn't die. Yay, please, just crash into one. Oh, dang it, I even missed that. Yay, sweet crash. Yes! Let go! Told you Simon would fall. Okay. I'm having some fun. Oh, dang it. No. Yeah. Totally did that on purpose. Woo! Ow! Idiot am, my favorite trick. Yeah.
Ow! That was so painful.
Yay, ragdoll this jump. Yeah, move. Oh, dang it. Don't clap. Yay, you're not gonna crash. Don't crash. Don't do it.
I hit a tree. Yay!
Yay! Simon actually could hit a tree. Okay. Yay! Water! Woo-hoo! Flip! Fail! Ow! Simultaneous fail! Twin fails! We should do that. We should try to get next to each other and like do the same exact fail in the same exact frame in the same exact place. It makes twin fails! Woo! Oh no! Ah!
I'm actually kind of in the woods and I have no idea why.
Well, if you didn't listen to me, all you earbud users, well, I think I broke your eardrum. I think you need to bring it to the doctor.
Ow! I hit a tree in midair.
Ouch! That's gotta hurt. Whoa! Ah! Whoopsies.
I cannot find where you are. I cannot find the wall.
I would do one last trick. Then craziness now!
Hey, down the mountain!
Maybe that wasn't a good idea. Maybe I should have told you that. Off. Oh yeah. Let's go. Yay, that's it.
And that'll be the end of the video. Bye, guys.